Are you ready to unlock the power of AI to start earning money online? Imagine having tools that work for you 24/7, automate tasks, and help you generate income without any prior expertise. Sounds exciting, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money using only AI tools. No fancy equipment, no technical skills, just smart strategies. Stay tuned, because this could be a game changer for your financial future. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's revolutionizing the way we work and earn. Whether you're a student, a professional looking for a side hustle, or someone dreaming of financial independence, AI tools can help you start earning money today. And the best part? Many of these tools are free or affordable. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI tools to create content, provide services, and even automate your business for passive income. Let's dive in. First up is content creation, one of the most popular ways to make money online. AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and WriteSonic allow you to produce high-quality written content in minutes. Freelance writing. Offer blog writing or copywriting services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can charge $50, $100 per article and use AI tools to draft and polish your work quickly. Ebook publishing. Use AI to write ebooks on trending topics, then publish and sell them on platforms like Amazon Kindle. This is a great way to create a passive income stream. Social media management. AI tools like Canva and Copy.ai can help you create stunning graphics and captions for social media clients. Many businesses pay hundreds of dollars for consistent, engaging content. The key here is to combine AI tools with your creativity and personal touch to stand out in the market. You don't need a studio or expensive equipment to create videos anymore. AI tools can handle most of the work for you. Text-to-video tools. Platforms like Pictory and Synthesia can turn scripts into professional videos. Whether it's an explainer video, a product review, or an educational video, you can create and sell video content effortlessly. Voiceovers. If you're not comfortable speaking on camera, use AI-powered voiceover tools like Speechello or Murph AI. These tools generate natural-sounding voices for your videos. If you've ever wanted to create stunning visuals without being a designer, AI has you covered. Tools like DALL-E 2, Midjourney, and Canva Pro allow you to generate beautiful designs, illustrations, and marketing materials. Sell digital art, create AI-generated art, and sell it on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Many creators earn thousands of dollars selling prints, stickers, or digital downloads. Logo design. Use AI to create logos for small businesses. Websites like Looker and Hatchful can help you design professional logos in minutes. Customize merchandise. Combine AI designs with print-on-demand services like Printful to sell t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases online. AI tools make it easy to turn your creative ideas into products that sell. Chatbots for businesses. Tools like ManyChat or Taz let you create chatbots to automate customer support or marketing for businesses. Once set up, these bots work round the clock, earning you money while you sleep. Algorithmic trading. If you're into finance, explore platforms like MetaTrader or Alpaca AI. These tools use AI to analyze market trends and execute trades automatically. With a solid strategy, you can generate consistent returns. Affiliate marketing. Use AI to automate email campaigns and social media posts, driving traffic to your affiliate links. Tools like HubSpot and ActiveCampaign are perfect for this. AI not only saves time, but also increases your earning potential by scaling your efforts. If you're tech savvy, consider offering AI-powered services directly to clients. AI consultation. Help small businesses integrate AI tools into their operations. Charge for your expertise in optimizing workflows or analyzing data. Custom AI solutions. If you have programming skills, build AI powered tools or apps for specific industries. For example, a chatbot for real estate or a content generator for e commerce businesses. AI is a hot topic, and businesses are willing to pay a premium for innovative solutions. Artificial intelligence is a goldmine of opportunities waiting for you to explore. Whether you're creating content, designing graphics, or automating tasks, AI tools can help you earn money faster and smarter. The best part? Most of these methods require minimal investment and are beginner friendly. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your efforts compound over time. So, what are you waiting for? Choose one of these methods, take action, and start building your AI powered income streams today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite AI tool or money making idea. Let's grow together.